following my but hindi niya nakamat. Someone is lurking my lure. Lexi lure. There's the red light and let's start recording. We are here in Mexico and casting here at the shore. We're Aragon TV. Another episode. There's Tito Polo and the others there. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, what's that again? Is that a snag? Ooh, snag, really a snag. So who will come at my lure? No, 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 no. No, no, no. And my setup is still UL. And I love it. Hope we can catch fish today after my lockdown. Someone is lurking my lure. Lexi lure. Goodness, where are these fish? Oh, there's jumping there. Jumping salad. There, he's eating. Can you see it? Good job. My reel is like bumbaan. It's there. Come on, fish. Is that a fish? Or snag? Oh! Oh, it's a fish! It's a fish! It's a fish! What is this? First catch! Woo! Fish on! It's a lapo! Woo! Fish on! My goodness! It's another lapo! on. Oh, is this a fish? Is this a fish? Fish on! Woo! Fish on! Ah! What's this? bad hook. Body hook. Kaya pala mabigat. Fish on. Fish on again. What is this? Another lapu-lapu basket. Eh? Why you're so too small? I will release you. Please release me. Let me go. Where are you, fishy again? You're gone. Hey? Come on, Moss. Dive in. Moss, come on. Come here. Moss, come here. Almost sinking. No. Fuck! Underwater. Oh, fish! Fish on! Woohoo! What's that? Layalay! It's yellow bucket! Going up. It's so mababaw here.
Oh my God! Tito Paulo, 1 down. Tito Joen, 2 down. The masturbators there, we do not know. And I'm here. Apal only. Damn.
Oh, it's a fish! It's a fish! La 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 la, my third fish is a lapo. Who wins? Me, I win.
So this is the end of the video.
Tito Paulo, will you send that to or
Okay.
yes, I will send to Tito MJ.
And the action cam goes low bat.
I said to you, we have so many battery.
But so low bat. But this is a nice place here in Papua New Guinea. And we will end this video today. But we do not zero ourselves. Because our catch has surprise with that big cigaras and a skin hook emperor lapu and then there's a lapu again. Woohoo, wee and a ras. You know the sounds like that, it's Johnny Cage. Yoo-hoo! In the Mortal Kombat series. And now
I thought that was the Hotel Transylvania.
the water is calm, but it's noon time now, and they have net here, and they're going to get it. What may be the title of this episode today? Is it after ECQ fishing? Because I am locked down for a week, and here I am.
Freedom.
It's freedom, and we fish, and we are here in Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. Alright, so we're going home with a smiling fish. Are they smiling? You is smiling. But I donate 2 lures. I'm sad. So until the next episode, goodbye mga karagan. Goodbye. Peace out. Peace out.